Welcome back to the e-course Personal Development and Human Values. Today we are going to talk about the sensitivity. What sensitivity is? Sensitivity is the personal ability to perceive, understand and respect the feeling or viewpoint of others. What others feels and what is the viewpoint of others, if you understand that is your sensitivity. And nowadays there are sensitivity trainings which allows you to inculcate the sensitivity behavior in you so that you are more sensible and show sensitivity towards others. So sensitivity training is psychological technique in which intensive group discussions and interactions are used to increase individual awareness of self and others. You have to aware about yourself and about others. And whenever such type of trainings are being organized, there is no leader. There is no trainer rather. Whomsoever the trainer, he is sitting outside. He is not a participatory one. He allows you to interact and understand the things and make an opinion among yourself. And in the end of the training, you must be in the position to have a very congenial atmosphere and freely exchange your views. That is the main purpose of the sensitivity training. So, what we get after going the sensitivity training? The number one is increase understanding, insight and self-awareness about one's own behavior. And the second point is increase understanding and sensitivity about the behavior of others. Third one is better understanding and awareness of groups and intergroup process. And the fourth one is increase diagnostic skill in interpersonal and intergroup situations. And the fifth one is increase ability to transform learning into action. And the last one is improvement in your ability to analyze your own interpersonal behavior as to learn how to help yourself and others. Now, there is one term I discussed earlier, the highly sensitive person. So, highly sensitive person sometimes having a negative trait in the personality. There are several traits or characteristics common to highly sensitive person according to researchers, and we can identify some of them. The very first is avoiding violent movies or TV shows. The second trait is being deeply moved by beauty. And the third one is being overwhelmed by sensory stimuli. This is the trait of the highly sensitive person. So we have talked about the highly sensitive person. Now we will talk about that if you are highly sensitive person or one is a highly sensitive person, then how to come out of it. What are the tips for that? The very first is add positivity. Second is avoid stressors. And the third one is learn to say no. And the last one is set up a safe space. So we conclude that sensitivity is an essential part of our personality, but we should not be highly sensitive person. That's all for this video. Have a happy and healthy life ahead.